Hey everybody, Dan Fitzpatrick here, stockmarketmentor.com, and I want to look at Roku today. Not like the device for looking at your TV, but the actual stock here. We're looking at a weekly chart. Now, I really like the way this stock is trading. It's actually my second largest position. Yep. And I don't have that many of them, but this is a big one. And the reason is because this stock on this time frame, we'll look at the daily time frame in just a second, but I have not seen this type of pattern, again on a weekly chart, I haven't seen this type of pattern where the next move is down. You know, maybe for a day or two, maybe even for next week. But this type of pattern, from everything that I recall, and you know, my memory ain't that great, but from everything I recall, the move in this type of stock has generally been higher. Now, they report earnings in a couple weeks on the 4th, so that could all change. But this is a pattern that I'm familiar with that looks like this. So I can just kind of leave it at that. That is why I'm long this stock. You know, we can draw kind of a line there. It's got a nice breakout. Wouldn't really call it a volatility squeeze, but it's certainly a stock that's kind of pinched a little bit. Now on the daily chart, I know this got lines all over the place. I can kind of take these off, but I've been focusing on this on a fairly regular basis with the members at Stock Market Mentor. You know, we've been in it for about 100 points. We didn't get it at the low, but anyway, I'm going to go ahead and remove this mess. There, how about that? Okay, so I was looking at this stock, and guys, I mentioned this in today's, in today's premium video again, as I have before. We were stopped out of this just Monday, and you know, or I think it was actually last week, and I think I probably had the stop set too tight. You know, I got to acknowledge that. But then when the stock turned around, you know, I said, okay, I typically don't see a stock that's fallen like this, you know, kind of like this fast. You don't typically see it be like a V-shaped thing here, which is actually what this is turning out to be. You know, I said you typically see it kind of meander around, kind of wallow around and form a new base. And so I didn't really feel like getting back into the stock simply because the setup didn't look the greatest. A lot of times, you know, you're going to get stopped out of a stock and then you'll say like, okay, crap, I was wrong to get stopped out. I got to get back in. You know, so you'll get in again. That's called being shaken out, where you're in a stock, oops, then you get out, crap, stopped out, got scared, sold the stock, and then right away, oh, crap, I need to be back in. And you can get shaken out 2 or 3 times. I would, for me personally, if I get shaken out twice, I'm not even going to stick around for the 3rd time. I'm going to just declare, you know, defeat. I'm going to, even if I'm snatching defeat from the jaws of victory, if I get stopped out twice, then I think, okay, well, there's obviously something in my approach that's not working. It's not the stock's fault. It's my fault, and that's just a part of trading. It's going to happen. So with this, that's what I was looking at, like, hey, you know, maybe we'll get a second bite at the apple. But it's looking to me like the apple is not giving us a second bite. And so I'm looking at this now. So we see what the daily chart's like, and you could say, oh, well, that's a cup and handle. You know, and I guess you could. There's the cup. There's the handle here, so now we get a breakout. But, you know, for my tastes, you know, this is a pretty sloppy cup and handle. But you could say that. I would just say this is actually turning out to be a good setup. But when I look at this on the weekly chart, this is, again, another stock that I just haven't seen. I haven't seen a chart do this. Typically, you see it move higher. And so that is why I am looking at Roku. And so maybe you will too. So, okay, members, I have actually, we're covering several stocks that are just flat out working and that are good entries for you. So I want you to check that out. But I also have some thoughts and some advice about just trading in general and picking your entries. So definitely check that out. And by the way, if you're not a member, why don't you check it out? The first, you get the trial on me. After that, if you like it, you pay. If you don't like it, you don't. Nothing personal either way.